Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing the new YouTuber challenge. I know I've already posted a couple videos already, but I thought I would do this new YouTuber challenge so that I'm able to kind of like introduce myself and so you guys can get to know me a little bit better. We're just gonna dive right into the video. So this isn't a 30-minute intro, so let's go. So my name is Hannah Marie. I didn't really think anything too creative about my name here on my channel. I just kind of went for it and just, yeah. So Hannah Marie, that's me. I am from Ontario, Canada, and yes, I'm going to ease some of your concerns. Yes, our money does smell like maple syrup. I started a YouTube channel because I've always dreamed of becoming a YouTuber and being able to make videos for a living. I find it's something that I am very passionate about and really enjoy doing. So I started the channel to kind of give it a try and see if that's a possibility for me. I've tried many times to start my YouTube channel, but I just was too busy and just a lot of things weren't working out right. So you know what? Let's say the third time's the charm and we'll move on from there. No, this is not my first channel. This is definitely not my first channel. I've done many videos before here on YouTube, but I never stuck with it and I just kind of abandoned my YouTube channel. That's why I said third time is the charm, baby. Third time is the charm. I started a YouTube channel when I was 10 years old, and by the age of 11 I was able to be monetized. I've also done another channel with a friend, and then I tried to start one a couple months ago. Well, if you look back at my channel, I think it says like 8 months ago or something like that, by myself, but I was just too busy and didn't have the time and just kind of neglected my poor baby YouTube channel. Viewers can expect from my channel like a lot of different things. I feel like when you look up like how to grow subscribers fast or how to start a YouTube channel, a lot of them say like you need a niche, you need a niche. I don't have a niche. So I guess my viewers can expect from me like baking, fashion, makeup, challenges, vlogs, get ready with me, I don't know, like those kind of things. So very, I guess, lifestyle-like stuff. What does a lifestyle YouTuber produce? YouTubers not defined by a specific niche often fall into the lifestyle category. These creators disclose information from their personal lives, discuss current events, and share interests with their viewers. They regularly collaborate with other YouTubers, also publish challenge videos and vlogs. Well, MediaKicks.com, you nailed that. Thank you. So I guess I am a lifestyle because I don't have a niche. So there you go. That just answered the question. I would say the person that inspired me to create my YouTube channel would be Adeline Morin. I really look up to her because when I started really like looking into YouTube and watching it, I came across her YouTube and I really enjoyed how spunky she was and how happy and outgoing, and I really connected with her on that level because I am very much the same. So as she grew older and her videos got better and better, I just was like, wow, like maybe I can do this. Like if she can do it, she's from Ontario, Canada as well. She kind of gave me hope. So as much as I've never talked to her in my life, she inspired me to create my YouTube channel. I like to manifest things. So when I think about my YouTube channel in 5 years, I see that I have a big enough following to make this my everyday job and something that I'm able to stick with and be happy doing, and be able to really live like my best life. I manifest that in 5 years I'm able to have like a merch line and like maybe do a collaboration with a makeup brand or a fashion, any kind of company, or just being able to collab with a lot of amazing other YouTubers that are out there, and hopefully be able to give back. Like hopefully I'm financially stable enough to be able to give back and surprise like people who are subscribed to me, or like even family and friends and all that kind of stuff, and just being able to entertain people and just bring a smile to their face would be honestly the ultimate goal, whether I am popular or not in 5 years. I would say the best thing about YouTube is you don't have to be like crazy talented to go far and be able to become monetized and get paid from YouTube. As long as people are viewing your like content, you're successful, and as long as you're entertaining and you're bringing people to YouTube, you're gonna be successful in this, you know, job, I guess. I just love how creative you can be on YouTube and how you don't need a degree to be able to like talk about something, or even like if you consider this as a job, you don't need to have a degree to be able to be hired as a YouTuber, you know what I mean? And I just feel like it kind of brings people together from all over the world and shows that we have things in common, which kind of makes the world feel more whole and together, which doesn't happen often. I would say something that inspired me to make YouTube videos would be the fact that I'm always talking to myself. Like, I walk myself through things as if it were a tutorial. So like, I could be making frickin' pasta downstairs and I'd be like, okay, so first we're gonna get the pan. Nope. First we're gonna get the pot. We're gonna fill the pot up with water and put it on the stove. Like, I just walk myself through things like that. Ever since I was young, I've loved to teach people how to do things, and there's something in my eye. I would take my Build-A-Bears and Webkins and everything like that, and I would just line them up and teach them how to do multiplication and subtraction and addition and all that kind of stuff. So I kind of have a teaching background also because I am a coach, so it comes naturally to me. So just talking to myself and talking people through things is something that I enjoy doing. So YouTube is kind of that way. When you think about doing tutorials and all that kind of stuff, you're teaching people how to do stuff and walking them through it, which is, like I said, something that I like to do. I currently use the Canon EOS Rebel T6i to record. It works wonders for me and I know how to use it, so that's all I need. I hope to upload 2 times a week. I want to be able to film videos probably 3 to 4 times a week, so I have some videos on the back burner so I can just like boom, boom, boom and like shoot them out for you guys. My hobbies include like a lot of different things. As long as I'm not bored, I guess I would call it a hobby. So I like to bake, I like to do makeup, I like to take pictures, I like to take pictures of like outside stuff, my dogs, me, anything really. I like to watch YouTube videos, hang out with my family, I'll color, like scroll through Pinterest and organize and clean. Like, I have so many like hobbies that I could do. Oh my gosh, my favorite YouTubers. I have so many YouTubers that I love and adore and favorite. So ready, we're just gonna do the list real quick. Number 1, this isn't in order, this is just people I'm thinking off the top of my head. Adeline Morin, Jamie Genevieve, James Charles, Mia Salzar, I think that's how you say her name, Shane Dawson, Jeffree Star, The Ace Family, Jordan Lipscomb, Leah Halton, Jessica Howell, and you know what, Emma Chamberlain's kind of a fave too. So the equipment that I currently have, behind me here I actually have a backdrop with like, you know, the frame of it, I guess. I've also got umbrellas. I've got 3 umbrellas. I've got a bunch of different backdrops. I've got 2 cameras. I've got here it is. I've got the camera that I record with, and then this camera here. This is kind of like, before I knew really what vlogging was, it was kind of just like, I'm gonna go, wherever I go, I'm gonna take this with me and take videos. So it's basically been a vlogging camera for a while. Like, this wasn't the one that I've always had. I've upgraded this one, and this is the Canon M100, EOS M100. So yeah, I think that's like all the equipment that I really have. I don't know, I have a lot of props and stuff because I like to do photography, so it kind of just, you know, wraps up into that. I really hope to get a ring light, especially if I'm going to do more makeup videos or any makeup videos in general. I want to have a ring light, and there, you know, it's good for like selfies and everything. It's good for any video. So a ring light is something that I really want to get. I also want to get one of those Gorilla tripod things for my big camera and my vlogging camera. I also want to get a car mount so that I'm able to bring my camera or my phone and record like vlogs that way as well. once your girl gets some moolah saved up, then she can buy those things. I have never met a YouTuber in real life, and I'm really sad because I know there's a couple that actually live in my like city, but I just never run into them. I really wish I have though. I'd be like, oh my gosh, I love you. My dream YouTube collaboration with a certain person, I would say probably I would love to do a collab with Jordan Lipscomb because she is just like drop dead gorgeous and I love her style and her vibes and everything, so I would love to do a video with her. I'd also want to do a collaboration with Adeline Morin, obviously because she is such a big inspiration to me, and then obviously James Charles because like, I don't know, I think people who don't want to do a collaboration with James Charles are literally crazy. If I had to do a collaboration with a company, without even second guessing, I would say Bally Body because it is my favorite self-tanner and I just love all their products. Like I could literally like buy everything off their store. You don't even understand. I just don't have the currency to do so. I'm still new at YouTube, so like I don't really know what kind of advice I could give besides just like, just do it. And I feel like anybody would say that, but like just go for it. Even if you think things aren't perfect, just do it, go for it. What do you gotta lose? I feel like the most difficult thing that I've run into with starting a YouTube channel would probably be the fact that you have a fear of failure, obviously, like anybody would when starting something new. Time. That's been like the hardest part for me, is having the time to be able to create the YouTube channel. And oh, hello, Luna's tail's in here. So this is our outdoor cat, and not being so busy so that I'm able to create the videos and edit the videos and all that kind of stuff. Oh, this is kind of like an interview question, like why should we hire you? Okay, why you should subscribe to my channel. Well, I'm funny. Well, I think I'm funny anyway. Maybe I'm not. Like, I will keep you entertained the best that I possibly can. And you know what? I'm hardworking and want to only produce the best content possible, so I will definitely always give my best effort. So subscribe to me. I don't know. Maybe also because I don't have a niche. I just kind of will do a little bit of everything. So yeah, is that a good enough reason? I don't know. But you know, you should just like subscribe to my channel anyway. Like even if you don't like me, just like subscribe and just keep your friends close but your enemies closer. So yeah, that kind of concludes this video. All the questions are answered. So if you guys really enjoyed this video, make sure to, oh my gosh, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe obviously, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!